Hello to everyone. Myself Habibur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Business Administration, Islamia College Autonomous, Wanembadi. Guys, let's focus on very important topic of our subject, strategic management. That is case study of SWOT analysis. By using SWOT analysis, how we need to solve a case, a problem. Okay, case study. Meaning of case study. Case studies are in-depth studies of a phenomenon like a person, group, or situation. Case studies are analysis of persons, groups, events, decisions, periods, policies, instructions, or other systems that are studied holistically by one or other methods. Yes, guys, case study means one problem will be given to you. You need to find answers or solutions to that particular problem. That is what case studies is actually. Any company problem or any industrial problem, any institutional problem, any retail outlets problem, right from hotel industry to airlines industries, every industry face one or the other problem daily. So for solving those problem, you need to have different ideas, innovative skills. By using your ideas, you need to solve the problems. For solving problem, there will not be only one method or two method. There are lots of method. Selecting the best method to solve the problem is your duty. So fine, guys. Case study Jet Airways we will discuss. First, I would like to say what is SWOT analysis. S refers to strength, W refers to weakness, O refers to opportunities, T refers to threats. SWOT means a strategic management techniques which represent the strength, weakness, opportunities, threats of an organization in any area of the management process. SWOT may be applied in planning, organizing, controlling, and directing. Yes, guys, SWOT analysis very important point. You need to identify your strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Let's move to actual topic, that is Jet Airways case study. First, the question is, the problem is stated here. Jet Airways is operating 50 flights in domestic routes and all the flights are 10 years old. The occupancy is 60%. Yes, prepare SWOT analysis for the improvement of Jet Airways. Jet Airways, which is an airlines company, which is having 50 flights, domestic routes. All the flights are 10 years old. Their level, flights level, working level is 60%. So what will be the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats of this particular Jet Airways company? So let's move to threats. Before going for threats or strength, first I want to say strengths, weakness, opportunities, threats. Strength and weakness are internal environment, opportunities and threats are external environment. So guys, let's move to strength. Jet Airways is a largest private agent in India. So it has strong goodwill among passengers. Occupancy rate is more than 50% is considered safe for airlines. As Jet Airways has more than 60% rate, Jet Airways has 50 routes. It has full coverage of India. Yes, guys, Jet Airways, one of the Indian private company. It has very great goodwill, demand, we can say brand name. Okay, here we focus that only 60% occupancy level is there, but what the actual rate is 50%, more than 50% is enough for safe travel. So these are the strength of Jet Airways. Let's move to weakness. There is no international route in Jet Airways. Yes, guys, here only we said that 50 flights in domestic routes, not international routes. So weakness is there is no international route in Jet Airways and it is likely to affect the image of the airlines. All the flights in Jet Airways are 10 years old. Yes, guys, we have seen the question itself says that all the flights are 10 years old. All the flights are 10 years old and foreigners may not like to fly in old planes. So these are the weakness. You need to come across from this weakness and you need to make your weakness into strength. Next, opportunities. As Jet Airways has 50 routes, it can attract lots of passenger if it reduces the fare. Yes, guys, Jet Airways is charging more money to travel. If they reduces the traveling expenses, fares, then definitely business can develop. As it is a largest private airlines, it can easily get license from the central government to operate international flights. Yes guys, international level also they can think. Jet Airways has the scope to attract foreign tourists if it introduces new flights. Yes guys, foreign tourists also they can attract, they can make business opportunities from them also if they go for international level businesses. Next, threats. What are the problems? What are the danger signals they are facing? The threats of Jet Airways is passengers may reject because it has 10 years old flights. Yes guys, old flights means everyone will think that these flights may not be safe for journey, so the business level will be down. If other airlines introduces new flights, Jet Airways will suffer. Yes guys, if your competitors make innovations, definitely your business is going to affect. That is what he clearly mentioned here. If other airlines introduces new flights, Jet Airways will suffer. Lack of foreign routes may affect the goodwill of the airways. Yes guys, if there is no foreign routes, definitely the brand value may goes down, because everyone thinks that if there is a foreign route, that company is the number one company. Domestic companies are not the best company. So fine guys, thank you, wish you all the best. Next thing we'll discuss in next class.